The Lightdow 420 to 800mm f8.3-16 Super Telephoto Manual Zoom Lens delivers extraordinary extended reach at an exceptionally affordable price point, making professional-level magnification accessible to budget-conscious photographers and hobbyists seeking dramatic focal length expansion. This fully manual lens requires approximately 75 to 100 hours of break-in and uses T-mount threads compatible with virtually any camera system through interchangeable tearing adapters, providing universal compatibility across Canon, Nikon, Sony, and other DSLR platforms. Constructed from solid full-metal materials throughout its barrel and focusing mechanism, this lens exhibits surprisingly robust build quality that delivers impressive durability and longevity despite its extremely competitive pricing structure. The aperture range expands from f8.3 at the 420mm focal length to f/16 at the 800mm extended position, providing a massive 4x zoom multiplication that transforms distant subjects into detailed, frame-filling compositions. Multi-coated low-dispersion glass elements throughout the optical design effectively minimize chromatic aberration, color fringing, and optical distortion across the entire zoom range, while comprehensive anti-reflection coatings reduce flare and ghosting for high-contrast, vibrant image reproduction. We share by links in description box. This fully manual lens demands camera operation in manual M mode with release without lens enabled in camera menus, and manual focus assistance through live view monitoring ensures accurate sharp focus throughout extended shooting sessions. The tripod mount provides sturdy support for this relatively large telephoto lens, significantly reducing camera shake and vibration that plague handheld telephoto shooting at extreme magnifications. Recommended accessories include a substantial tripod, remote shutter release, mirror lockup activation, and fast shutter speeds to combat the inherent motion blur challenges of telephoto photography at extended focal lengths. The comprehensive package includes a protective lens pouch and protective front and rear caps for transport and storage, safeguarding optical surfaces from dust, debris, and accidental damage. With absolutely no electronic contacts, autofocus capability, or image stabilization systems, this lens demands greater photographic experience and technique mastery, particularly regarding proper exposure determination and manual focus precision. Users consistently report that this lens achieves surprisingly good sharpness and optical quality, particularly when properly supported and focused using live view magnification on the camera's rear LCD screen, making it an exceptional bargain for adventurous photographers seeking telephoto capabilities.